Hello. Um, while I'm waiting uh, to upload the video, I thought that I would start doing another video, and hopefully um, I want to open it to see what we have inside. You can clearly see what the issue is. We have a cracked screen. Yeah, can you see it? But I couldn't find on any of the websites the part number and where I can get it, so I want to open it. This is a Powkiddy console, retro gaming console. It's very nice to touch. I think it's a little bit square. I haven't played with it too much because it doesn't power up. You can see here we have a light, but there's nothing on the screen. So yeah, so let's try and open it. So typical, it's not a beautiful design, but I think it's workable. You have the USB port here. These are two card games. You have headphones jack. You have an OTG USB-C port. Then you have left and right buttons, volume up, volume down. You have a HDMI port. I think it's mini HDMI port. And then, yeah, joysticks. And I think it's called the D-pad. I think. Anyway, I think we're good. So let's try and open it up and see if we can get to the screen to see if we can, if there is any markings on it. Oh no, they're the same. So I can search online and maybe find it. Otherwise, no idea how am I going to find a replacement. And of course, try and see if we can fix it. If it's just like usually. I do have to remember to keep this in focus every time. In focus, so you can see what I'm doing, because sometimes I'm doing it, but I'm not showing you what I'm doing. This is very hard plastic. I'll give you that. There it goes. Oh, I've lost the button, the second button, and I think I've damaged. Yeah, I've damaged the clips. Great. These clips, I'll show you. So let's take out. I think these are the speakers. So I've taken out the speakers. Then this is the battery, and we'll check the battery in a second, because I know and then let's take it with a smaller one. I think this is the Wi-Fi. Yeah, so I've damaged these clips, or maybe this was already opened by somebody else. But down at the bottom where I started, right? Yeah, maybe it was me. Anyway, that's for another time. Let me see how these are. Yeah, they still work fine. Right, so let me put these ones all here. Let's see if I take out one of these ones. Are these the same? No. Okay. So I'll put them separately. Let me take out the buttons. I think all the buttons can go. Okay. And then we've taken out the battery, so there's no short circuit possibility. Oh, let me put a bigger Phillips. This is actually really easy to take apart. We'll see in a second. That's gone, and that's also gone. I'm not going to take out these ones. I'll leave them in. What I'm gonna do is take the harness out very slowly, because I've done on another one. I've managed to break not the harness, not the cable, but I've managed to do the connector itself. And then we need to take this out, which is, I hope, the screen connector. Yeah, so that's out. Can't see anything wrong. So let's see. Now this should come off. Oh, yes, it does come off. So yeah, really nice clean board. It looks brand new. Okay, we'll put this aside as well. That is not very good. This means I have to heat up from the front and get this out. I do have a number here, which is probably what's gonna help me find out what kind of screen we have. It says 30, so it's a 30 pin. Right. Right, I had a look. So I have to hit this up from the front and get the screen out through here. I can already see something here. Maybe it's gonna be easy. Maybe. So let's try and do that. I'll take out these things and these things. These were the last ones. Taking out everything. I don't want to. Oh, should have looked. I'll look online. I think it's fine. I'll look online how they are in a picture. Pretty sure I'll find one. Right, so we've taken everything. Why I have the plastic, the sellotape, is because I don't want it to go everywhere. So let's try and see if we can loosen the adhesive. I'm gonna use my hot air station at 150 on my UHA 889D. Let's see, without melting any of the plastic would be nice. Is this good enough? So now let's quickly come. Okay, we definitely have the glue loosened with the. Have I managed to scratch it there? I don't think so. Should have started from the top, from here, because the cable is over here in this area. Lessons learned for next time. And voila. I think I didn't damage it. A little bit of APA here. Where's my cotton swab? I think I've actually scratched it here. Don't know. Otherwise, it looks really, really good. Right. So now I'm gonna have to find this part. Gonna have to order it from somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna order it. I mean, find it, order it from another place, and then when I have it, we'll come back, assemble everything back together, and hopefully it will work. Because yeah, it can be something else that's wrong with this. Right. Hello. We are finally back with the Powkiddy RGB30. So we got the screen. So this is the screen. It's brand new. In order to get this, I had to contact the support team from the Powkiddy website. They were very helpful. So we have a screen, and this is the old one. If you remember, with the crack screen. They both have the same part number on the flex cable on the but one is black, one is golden. No idea. They do fit because I've tried it. So we're gonna try and reassemble everything now. So first, what I want to do, and we're gonna also, so I bought some cards, and we'll try to see if it will power. But the first thing I want to do is this one had some double-sided sticky tape, so I want to put some double-sided sticky tape as well. I don't have the same thing, but close enough. We will try and do some strips the same way, and maybe not that long. I need to get some very thin and very transparent sticky tape. The gap is very small, so I need to be very careful. Where these will go. So if I put this aside, take this one and put it through the slot like this, and then push it in. Yeah, looks good. I can't wait to see it back. Right. I'm gonna add 2 more, I think. Right, so this is good. Now let's peel them off. Come on, sticky tape. Hope I remember where everything goes. Right, so now let's be careful, and so slot it through, down, and a perfect fit. That is very, very good. Now let's put something so we don't. I don't want to scratch it. Alright, so we've got the screen in, which is good. Now we have to put the buttons in. So let's see if I remember how all the buttons go. Come on. These are the same, so one will go on this side and one on this side. So this is probably the same on all sides, so that will go in there, and then this will go like this. Okay, then we have these buttons, which they're all the same. They're all the same. Yeah, they don't have anything clear on them. So let me go and find out how they should be. So it's X at the top. Yeah. Then A on the outside. Yeah. B is at the bottom. And then the last one is going to be Y. And the Y is here. Okay. That was easy, I think. And then we need to put this back. Okay. Right, then I have these buttons. So right, left. Because remember, when we're gonna turn it, this will be the front. So the left is on the left and the right is on the right. So left, right. So this is right and this is left. Oh no, I can't put them the other way around. Yeah, that's correct. So they will be like that. Okay, and I have 4 big screws. Okay, and then I have these little buttons, and come on. These ones. So one of them is the plus and minus, and the other one is the power and reset. And if I remember correctly, they were on this side. So the power and reset were on this side. No, this side. And this one on this side. And then we had these ones, so which they don't have anything on them, so one is here and the other one is here. That's how they were. Okay, right, so now we have to put the board back in. So the board is gonna go in like this. Yeah, yeah. But it's not going to go in like this. It's going to go in the other way like this. And it's a simple reason for that. Right, now we got to take this out without damaging it. Okay, and the other one from here. Put it back afterwards. Come on, stubborn. Right, there you go. Now that is good, but now I've lost the power button. I'm gonna have to relook at my video. Right, I had a look. They're the right way around. Oh. As usual, it's not easy. They're very fiddly. You have to have very good dexterity. Which is fine. And you need to like working on small objects like these ones. All right, So let's try this again. So from the bottom, like that, then let's pull out. Where are you, cable? Where are you? You're here. That one, and then this troublesome one over here. Hoping I'm not going to break them. That would be a faff to get them back in. I mean, to find new ones. Right. So I took them out. Right. What I'm gonna do now is put some of the little screws in, so we can check that we've put the other screw, the D-pad and the other one correctly in, because I'm very curious. If they work, if they click OK. Right. Let me check. This is okay. And this is okay. Okay. Seems alright. Right. So let's put all the other screws back, the small ones. Let's see where. So we have one. So we have one over here. And then one over here. And the last one is over here. Right. Boom. We are almost assembled now. So now we have to put these ones back in. Were they like this, or did they have another way in? They were with the blue inserted, so they were like this. Come on. Let's try this one. Maybe it's easier. Okay. Right, done. So, right, the last thing we need to, oh, I didn't check. Yeah, okay. Then these ones. Seems okay. Right. Right, and the last thing we need to put in is the LCD connector, the screen connector, because this is what we changed on this one. So, come on. There you go. That's perfect. Then right, and then left. These are clicking also. Right. So now we're coming with the back. And the back. So battery, yeah, like this. So I'll try to make it as clear as possible for you, but yeah. So one speaker. I'll put the battery the last, okay? So one speaker, second speaker. Come on. Then the Wi-Fi antenna. This will need a steady hand. Okay, that's good. And now the battery, which is here. All right. And now put the case back. Clicked everywhere. Let's try and see if we get the light here. That means it's powering on, but we might not get anything on the screen because we don't have any cards in here. Oh, we have a light, so we didn't break it, but like I said, we don't have anything on the screen, which is absolutely fine. I'm happy that it still starts, so power it off. If it does one, stopped. Okay, so let's put the last screws in, and then try and see if we put a card in it, if it works. I don't know what I've done with the other card, but I will try this one that I have over here to see if it does anything, if it shows us anything on the screen. I'm more interested right now if the screen is going to show anything. Let's see. So is it like this, or is it the other way around? No, it's like this for sure. Am I going to break it after I fixed it? Seems aligned, so I don't know why it's not going in. How is this way? Okay. Right. Let's see. Does it do anything? Has a red light. Oh. Just powered up. Oh, look. Yay! It's working. Very happy. That is fixed. I can't wait to see how it actually works when you play a game. I need to re-download whatever we have there because it's not what I wanted. It's something that I just tried. But I'm very happy. Oh, I think we need to leave it for a little bit to see, and then to try if it to try to see if it works. Currently, I can see it's okay, but we will see. I want to see that it actually does something. Oh, I've seen a little cursor. Probably rebooting or something. Oh, look. 61%. Okay. So this works. Does the volume work? Yes, it does. When I press it, it does go up and down. Okay. This works. Okay. Does this, doesn't do anything. This works. Yeah, this works. What does do the buttons? Okay. How do I go back? Select works? Oh, no idea. Start. Oh, start works. Okay. Ooh. Game settings. Game collection settings. Approve. Wow. Okay. No idea what I'm doing. Oh. Yes. Okay. Right. So it works. Very happy that it works. And yeah, the screen is nice. So yeah, very nice find and very nice, very interesting fix. So I will I'll load it up with some games and I'll play it to see how it is. This probably will go at some point to be sold, but not before we're gonna me and my children are going to play on it. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.